Exercise number 2C, designing a spiral curve spiral combination. In this exercise, we're going to determine the total length of the spiral curve spiral combination based on the information provided below. The road is a 2-lane rural, principal arterial with an ADT of 1500. The posted speed is 55 miles per hour. It's a rolling terrain with 12-foot lanes, a central angle of 37.5231 degrees, and a radius of 1,500 feet. First thing we're going to determine is the spiral length. And to do this, there are several different ways. The first way is we're going to use the following equation, which will approximate the length of spiral. And this equation of 1.6 times the design speed cubed over the radius is in the AASHTO 2018 Green Book. If we take that equation and fill in the values, we get the final answer of 177 feet. The next method, we're going to use the MoDOT Standard Plans 203.22, page 1 of 2, to determine the length of spiral. If we bring up that chart, this is the chart for the EMAX 8%, which is for rural. And if we look at the design speed of 55 miles per hour, we're going to highlight that column, or those columns. And then we're going to look at the radius that's provided of 1,500 feet. Now the radius falls between the two entries. So what you do in that case is you take the more conservative entry, which is the higher E rate of 7%. If you go across there, or not 7%, but 7%. And so if you go across over to the radius, you'll see that it's a little bit less than 1,500, but the value we're looking for is in that L1, which L1 stands for 1 lane rotated, which is the case we have, and we get 179 feet. Now if you go look in AASHTO, in the Green Book 2018, you'll notice that the values in the Green Book match the MoDOT standard plans, which in the Green Book comes out to be 179 as well. So we're going to utilize the 179 feet for our spiral lengths. Now that we have the spiral length, we're going to go ahead and calculate the curve. And to do that, we're going to use the following equation of the length of curve equal to pi r times the central angle over 180 degrees. So if we fill in the numbers for that, we get the following, and then the final answer of 982.35 feet. Now that we know the length of curve and the spiral, and again with spirals at MoDOT, we typically have the same spiral length for the beginning, or for the beginning spiral and the ending spiral, so they're both the same length. So to calculate this spiral curve spiral combination, all we have to do is add up all those elements. So to do that, there's the values, and then our final answer is 1,340.35 feet.